guess what showed up? This Honda motor, K24A. So, he says when it stopped running, it went bang. Not knock, 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 nothing like that. He said it bang. So, I'm assuming that we have a broken crank. That's what I think we're having. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to spin over the engine. I'm going to see if I can hear anything about it. Or if it's binds up in a different way, we're going to find out what we're going to get. So let me go grab my tools and I shall return. I got my tools ready. So let's take a listen and see what we hear. See what kind of noise we get. That's not good. What? Y'all know what sound that is. Wow. Alright. This is not starting to sound like we got some timing chain issue, but let me dig into this and let's take a look-see. That there is no bueno. Come and take a look, see. Alright. Let's watch this timing chain area. Take a real good watch. Real good watch. Oh, something not. It ain't happy, I'll tell you that much. There. Go around, boom. Not happy. Not happy. Look at that chain. Not happy. Can't go backwards, you can only go forward, so something happened here. So we gotta get down and dig into here and see what happened. It ain't happy. Well, it's gotta come off. That motherfucker ain't coming. We gotta get that sucker off, or we ain't gonna get down in through here. But it is. Oh shit. I need to be closing up in the next 10 minutes. It's getting cold. Sucks being here when it's cold. Alright, maybe I'll take this up tomorrow. Gonna break that loose. And we gotta drop the oil pan out of the way. And then we're gonna get all this other extra stuff off. And get the timing cover pulled off. Let's find out what's going on. Well, good morning. It's a nice morning. Well, I was going to take today off because I worked all the weekend. But I just realized I got a mess at the shop. I didn't clean up. And I really need to get that cleaned up. My Sunday night didn't end until almost 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night. So I was tired. But on the way back, I'll let you guys enjoy this little scenic route. Gonna show you something. One of these days, I think I want to live on this street. What's the name of it? Racetrack. No, it's not a racetrack road. Or no, it is racetrack road, but it's not where you go and race. Please do not come through here racing and causing havoc and whatever. These are nice people over here, so let's respect it. But I do say it would be dope if I can build a racetrack out here. But I don't think any of these people out this area, because there's a lot of houses. Oh, there's a lot. I don't think they would appreciate the loud noises, because right now it's pretty quiet, and I don't see a whole lot of race cars, I would say. I see just normal cars. So be respectful, guys. Don't be coming down through here racing just because it's called racetrack road. Well, we're back. I told the customer what was going on with the timing. They said they don't want to dump any more money into it. And now it looks like I'm stuck with this guy because they don't even want the engine. So we're just going to finish tearing it down and seeing what else is wrong with it. Follow me. Pop quiz. Why is there so much oil covered all over this intake gasket? This engine was doomed from the start. Whoever put the oil pan gasket on it used an over excessive amount of sealant. In a lot of places it stopped. So I'm assuming the leaks started happening and the pieces went inside this engine. If you look at the front timing cover and look down, see if we can get some light in there. There it is. Look at that. Right there. Got sealant all the way down through there. Let's see if we can get some. There we go. Right there. This engine was doomed from the start. I am actually surprised of how long it actually ran, because they squeezed sealant out everywhere. And then right there's nothing, because it probably sank right inside. Got a camera over here to see it a little bit better, or a flashlight over here to see it a little bit better. Look at all that sealant just squeezed out. Yeah, this thing was doomed from the start. Doomed from the start. No gasket down through here. There was absolutely no gasket on this at all. Not even on the oil pan, nowhere. They just used sealant, squeezed it on there, and prayed to God that it would hold. That bolt, we have tried almost 700 pounds of torque on there, and we can't get it off. That's crazy. That is insane. So, I don't know what's going on here, but definitely going to need a new harmonic balancer. That's probably why it ran so rough too. But I'm going to safely say that's going to be the end of the 24K engine. Maybe we'll do some videos on it later, but right now it's a done motor. Or no, not done motor. It's a unfinished motor that I am going to be stuck with for a while, so it'll give me more time to figure out how we're going to get this thing off. It's crazy. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Hey guys, it's Jason, or Otter, whatever you want to call me, here at Oddballs, also known as J&J Automotive. I'm looking for some particular cars, and I got brakes for them. So I'm reaching out to anybody out there that has 1989 Chevy S10 two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, 1982 Celica, 1993 Honda Accord, I believe. I think either Civic or Accord. If you guys are curious about how you can get these brakes for free, DM me and let's talk. Yeah.